Got no rules, I count 'em. I got no rules, I count 'em. Bread, up and down, bread, up and down, right, bread, up and down, been open.
What's up guys? Nagbabalik ulit si Joker TV Stream. Andito na naman tayo for another video for our new haul for this week. Dumating na ang ating bagong diorama. Galing, of course, sa Temu. So ngayon, papakita ko sa inyo guys yung nabili ko. I bought this after work yesterday. So luckily, may nakita akong bago. Good thing. Kaso wala talaga akong makitang Honda Civic. I was trying to grab this one. But we got a JDM car. Which I found it sa Ralph's yesterday night. So ito yung is Alfa Romeo GTV6 3.0. It's really nice. Napakaganda. Nga lang, hindi siya ganun ka. I'm not sure if this is yung yung tinatawag nilang treasure hunt, but for me, this is just a regular JDM. Also, we have this one. This is sick. Napakaganda ng pickup truck, so I tend to grab it. I don't think it's a treasure hunt. Kala ko TH nung una ko nakita siya, excuse me. Pero hindi pala. It's really nice pickup truck with the open hood, as you can see right there on the screen. And with also yung sa likod para siyang like hunch or something. Oh, and we have also grabbed this Dodge Viper SRT-IO ACR. This is nice. Napakaganda ng pagkakalagay ng decal niya, man. Look at that. With the spoiler. Very nice. Nice rims as well with the black combination. But I would rather prefer it with gold rims. Astig yan sana. And also we have this Mazda RX 795. So Need for Speed, I know they use this car. Pero yung orange with the black in the middle, that's the one I wish we have one, but I can't find it. Now, let's put this on the side and show you what came. So ito yung diorama na in order natin as I was talking about on the other video, guys. Sorry for that motorcycle background. I'm here, I live in LA City. So basically, medyo maingay dito. But yeah, here it is, coming from Temu. So let's see what's inside. Ito yung in order natin. It just came as well yesterday, along as the time I purchased ng bagong car. Alright, open it, it's kind of hard. Give me a second. I'll be back in a few seconds to show you what's inside this box. Alright guys, I'm back. So, ito yung laman ng it's kind of weird. Unlike yung iba yung lagayan niya. But this is yung manufacturer nito is coming from actual G fans. Just letting you know, baka naman. It's 1/64 scale, of course, for this type of model. Napaka-weird lang kasi iba yung box niya compared to this one. Ito talaga, it would actually tells you the detail. But I think this is also under G fans as well. Pero yeah, it's different box nga lang. It's kind of weird. But I mean, what do I expect? It's from Temu. So it's a budget meal, just so you know. And then let's see what's inside. Open it. So hindi siya ganun tape. So here it is. Furmate. So it's like an instruction kung paano siya ikabit. And then, this one I'm talking about. It has like the yung parang grills niya sa ibabaw compare like the previous video na na meron tayo. And then this is like Chinese letters. Let's see, what do we have? So etong LED niya. LED from the So the difference is on this one, unlike yung dun sa previous nating video, ang LED niya is parang dinikit lang sa ibabaw. One thing I notice here, parang dinikit lang sa ibabaw and ano, yun lang. I'm not saying that like ano, pero nga lang it's much better sana ako nakabaon sa sa gitna. It's much easier, much reliable. So I don't know how on this thing works. Kasi wala siyang yung parang, alam niyo yung parang dito sa gilid yung daanan ng wiring nito. RNC1. So basically parang i-modified mo ng sarili mo. And here's the ano, the bottom part. It's nice. It's nice. It's quite okay with our disabled parking spot. It's quite okay. And also, I think one thing I notice here is that, oh, ito pala. Meron din siyang ano. Meron din siyang yung parang glass cover, just like the ones that we had on our previous video. So let's go ahead. Just give me I'll be back in a few seconds. Let's try to build this thing. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and open this up. Let's see. Matigas siya. Ito yung ano, yung parang pinaka glass, and also we have this grills right here. You can see. Open the other one. Nakapansin ko guys medyo parang mas maliit siya compared dun sa isa natin. Medyo maliit siya. Tsaka on this one parang medyo makapal. Unlike the previous one na medyo manipis ng konti pa dito. Let's see how it's gonna go. Ay. Medyo maano din yung ano niya. Yeah, you know. So, it's not like our previous one. This one doesn't have, I don't know where to put the, ano, yung ating LED stuff. Dapat meron siya dito yung parang exit sa gilid. Where we could, like, you know, go through. It's not gonna, kasi mamaya in the end, we're gonna have an issue with this. For sure. I guarantee you guys. So typically I might probably still need to fix that. Unlike yung ibang diorama is ano, medyo already fixed. So that's how it looks like. Medyo okay din. Tingnan natin how it's gonna go. So this is goes here. Okay, yeah, medyo ano to. Hindi siya nagwi-wiggle. Unlike yung isa, nagwi-wiggle talaga. So, which is ano, galing meron pa talagang, what do you call this? Yung parking payment na kung magkano for the whole day and as well as for the half day. Then guys, okay, put this on. Wow, really? Naman. Yan. Mas okay to kasi hindi siya nagwi-wiggle. Unlike yung isa, talagang konting galaw mo, wiggle agad. Kaya yun, I would recommend for that for you guys to use the instead to use a glue para hindi mag-wiggle. So see, ito hindi siya nag-wiggle Kahit anong gawin mo hindi nag-wiggle. Unlike yung una talaga kasi manipis yung manipis yung isa that we ordered. So, talagang medyo wiggle-wiggle talaga to the max. So, ito kahit ganun mo, hindi siya matatanggal. Yung isa natatanggal. So, you really have to put a glue on it. So, ang questionable lang dito sa part na to is that I had to, I don't know how are we gonna do this. So okay. So, meron sa gilid. Okay, so hindi na masama. Ito pala, hindi ko napansin. Sorry guys, sorry. So, let's check here. Pero paano natin nalalagay ito? So, it goes here. Like that. Is it? Or i-glue? Oh, no. Mali. Meron siyang ano dito sa butas sa gilid. So, ipapasok natin siya dito. Yan. Okay. So, this is how it looks like. Makapasok siya dito sa butas. So, ngayon, ilalagay natin ngayon to. Okay siya. Maayos yung quality ng talagang G-Pants compared dun sa pinagbilan natin na other, what do you call this? Other carrier. Base dun sa review ko is like, medyo okay lang naman din. Quality yung paint. But with the structure itself, medyo wiggle. So I still do recommend to use glue para hindi magkawatak-watak. Unlike this one is like very fitted at medyo makapal. So hindi siya magwiwiggle. Just like the previous one that we had. Okay. Oh shit. Oh my gosh. Saan hindi naipit? Okay, there we go. I'm just making things to make sure it's secured. Let's see. OMG. There we go. Wait. Hindi siya nakapasok, guys. There we go. My God, napasok ko doon sa kabila. Pero dito, there. Much better. See? You see how it's sturdy? Hindi katulad ng isa medyo malikit. So, this is how it looks like, guys. Yan. Ang ganda ng infrastructure niya. Meron talagang grills si Mayor. Now, let's test it out kung nagana siya. Okay, just give me a few. Alright, nakabit na natin. So, let's test it out kung talaga nailaw. Oh, damn. Look at that. That is so nice. Very quality. Napakaganda. Compared dun sa size siguro, I must say medyo maliit to. But with the wide, pares lang sila. Yung height lang medyo maliit lang ng konti. But overall, it's very nice. It's good to put our collections with this type of diorama. It's very nice. Napaka sturdy. Dapat ganito na lang din order ko ng iba. Pero it's okay. At least we have yun nga lang, it's much more space. Yung sa isang binila natin, much more space siya sa baba. So unlike here, like everything is facing up front, as you can see. Alright, so let's start and put our collections here. See what's... Alright guys, ito na siya. Ganda ng garage guys. Look at that. Wala lang tayong clay dough to stabilize them, but it's so sick. Ang ganda. So, display na natin yung iba dyan, yung custom, lalo itong yung Ford Mustang GT with the body kit. That's it.